5 common pitch problems that you often face. But I'm going to also give you not just the problems, but I'm going to give you the solutions to this problem. I will also tell you what actually caused this problem that is making you to sing out of tune, to sing off key. So, if you're not already following us, please subscribe, click the like button, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos about your voice and help you to overcome your singing challenges. All right, let's get started. Let's say you've been backed up by the choir, or maybe you're singing and the pianist is playing with you, you have an accompanist, or you have a band, or you're even in the choir. And then all of a sudden, you sing out of tune. You're not singing in the right key that everybody is singing. How will you feel? I'm sure you'd have felt embarrassed. I'm sure you'd have felt sad. I'm sure you'd have felt so very, very, very depressed. But don't worry, I've got the solution for you. After this video, you are not going to worry about it. I'm just so excited to share this video with you. Now, the first one is flat notes. Let's see how it sounds. Now you see, the problem with this flat note is that you don't have breath support. You're not supporting your breath. That's why you are singing flat in your throat. You're practicing throaty singing. You are singing from here. When you take in air, the air comes out from here. And that's why when you were, that time you were singing with the choir, you were singing flat. They were on A, you were on A flat. So next time you find out that you're singing flat, check your breath support. Maybe the sound is coming from here. So what do? What you should do is that you should focus on deep breathing. You start practicing it now. Every time, work on yourself so that you will breathe deeply and out. Make sure that your throat muscles are very well relaxed. You will see that the problem of flat notes is no longer an issue for you. You will overcome that challenge. The splendor of the King. Woo! Get targeted vocal exercises that will improve airflow and resonance. Check this video out for targeted vocal exercises that you can do to help regulate your airflow and resonance. Next is sharp notes. The splendor of the King. See, the problem with that note is that it is a sharp note. Over-exertion, or there's a strain on your vocal cord. So that's why you are actually doing that mistake. But don't worry, I got it covered. I got you covered. Yay! All right, so now this is what you're going to do. Experiment with different vocal placements to find a comfortable and resonant tone. Okay? So let's try it again. Relax. That's did you see that? So once you just relax, you will see that you'll be able to relax, focus. So if you're always having that problem of singing sharp, just relax, focus, and sing. Pitch wavering. The splendor of the King. The problem with this is that you have inconsistent breath control. That's why you are always having pitch wavering problems. Anytime you want to sing, you're moving. problem with this is inconsistent breath control and vocal instability. Your voice is not stable. So what are you going to do to correct this? You need to practice breathing exercises like the ones given to you here. Practice breathing exercises that will help you to sustain your breath. Do sustained notes exercises, for example. So try that kind of exercise and you see it will really help you. The next problem is difficulty matching pitch. The king. Every time they play something on the piano, you have difficulty understanding what it is and singing exactly what you're given to play. So, what is the problem? The problem is that you have weak ear-to-voice connection. Your ear is not very well trained. You're not really you're hearing, but you're not focused. They call it tone deafness. How do you correct this? You just have to train your ear with pitch matching exercises. You can get apps, piano, keyboards, instruments that can help you to match your pitch. And when you practice, make sure you record it and listen back, and make sure that when you're listening back, what you sang and what you played is matching. And I bet you before you know it, that challenge or that problem is gone. Sa do sa sa fa sa. Sa do sa sa mi sa. Mi fa mi sa. Mi fa mi sa. The splendor of the King, clothed in majesty. Let all the earth rejoice. Let all the earth rejoice. Last but not the least problem is vocal strain. The problem with this is that you are pushing beyond what your voice can do. Or you are singing with wrong or improper technique. So this is the cause of you sounding strained with your pitch. It's very simple. All you just need to do is know your range, know your limits. Go and get a vocal coach that will help you, that will guide you, direct you, who will understand your range and tell you, okay, this one is too much for you. You can't actually handle this as at now. Or you can handle this as at tomorrow, but not now. Okay? So you need to work with a coach so that you don't push beyond your limit. You don't try and strain your voice beyond what you can do. Work with a coach that will help you to move your technique, to grow your technique and expand your range safely. Which of these problems do you face? Please comment with the problems you've faced or that you've experienced and how you hope to solve it with what you've learned today. I want to sing with pitch perfect, always singing on key. Then you need to watch this video where I have a step-by-step guide that will guide you not to sing out of tune. Thank you guys for watching. Till we meet again next video.